Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the cut to the Magnificent Seven? Alright, here it goes. In random order, ladies, good luck. Why don't we give them another round of applause? It's not easy being a candidate. And can we request for upbeat music, please, to heighten the excitement and the suspense? Pwede ka ng paspas? Paspasan ko na itong music, Pelihog. Alright, nakabati din yun. Okay, so, we begin. Asa may music? Alright. First, okay, this is going to be a tour around Panglao, and our first stop is Lok!
Congratulations to Fiel Angelique Cleofe, candidate number 4.
Our next stop, we move on to Poblacion 2, number 14.
Poblacion 2 is Cindy Claire Loa, candidate number 14.
From the Poblacion, we move on to the Alona Beach Community Association Incorporated, candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5 is Rhea Marie Sumbilon.
Our next stop, ladies and gentlemen, we go back to Poblacion. Number 12.
Candidate number 12, Ken Shane Gimanas.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we go to Lourdes.
Candidate number 6, Asuncion Rontal.
Number 6, please, Lourdes. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to... Alright. The now uno, candidate number 9.
We have Jesserilyn Bolingkit from the now uno.
Okay, mga higala, usa na lang, kinsa iyong paborito? Okay, I don't feel okay here, because we only have usa na lang yun. And the final spot goes to Tawala, number 8.
Candidate number 8 is Chrissy May Nogadas.
To the rest of the ladies, thank you so much. Thank you. All right.
Thank you once again, ladies, and indeed you have put up a good fight tonight. And the Magnificent Seven, you shall be seeing them at close range later, and they're getting ready for the most interesting part, which is the question and answer portion.
Okay. So first up is candidate number 4. Where is Fiel Angelique? Candidate number 4, Angelique. Fiel, candidate was actually named after Fiel Angelique here, because when she was born, her aunt was your, I think, your ardent supporter. Yes, okay. So can we have candidate number 4, please? Candidate number 4, Anthony. So why tourism?
Well, tourism because I wanted to promote the beautiful scenic spots and breathtaking views of Bohol, not only in the Philippines but to the whole world.
Thank you very much. Now, this is actually, by the way, Fiel, before we move on to the final question, I would just like to remind the judges that this is the Magnificent Seven. So we have 50 points for the interview and 50 points for the beauty and the poise of the candidates. And after that, you have to rank the candidates from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With number 1 as the highest. No ties, please, for each individual judge. Okay, we need the ranking of the girls. Okay, can you pick one question? Fiel, would you like to read it for her?
Okay, candidate number 4. Here's your question. What should be the qualities of Miss Panglao 2010? May I repeat your question? What should be the qualities of Miss Panglao 2010?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The qualities of being a Panglawanan should be humble, hospitable, and most especially a God-fearing one. And I do believe she's standing in front of you. That would be all. Once again, good evening.
Thank you very much, Phil. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You may.
Now we're ready for our
Over there.
next.
Okay, by the way,
Finalist.
before we call the second finalist, we have to acknowledge the escort. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for tonight's pageant, we are also going to pick out the best escort. Okay, so that was escort number 1.
Okay, Raul, we might as well call the other candidates.
Okay, candidate number 14, Poblacion 2.
Okay, we would like to call all the candidates on stage. This Magnificent 7.
Yes. Okay, so we have our candidate here from Poblacion 2, Kiel.
Okay, how do you feel tonight, Miss Poblacion 2?
I feel nervous.
You know, I enjoyed watching your talent presentation last August 25. Who taught you that?
My advisor, one of our advisors in STI. And
What's your greatest inspiration in this pageant?
my mom.
Raul, she's ready with her final question.
Pick one, please. Can you open it? Can I read the question? All right. Now, here's the question. If you will be crowned as Miss Panglao 2010, to whom would you attribute your victory? Kang kinsa nimo ipasalamat nimong pagka-daog as Miss Panglao 2010. Again, if you will be crowned as Miss Panglao 2010, to whom would you credit or attribute your victory? Why? Kinsa nimo pasalamatan?
If I will be crowned in this night as Miss Panglao 2010, the first person I will thank is God. Why? Because He is the reason why I'm here. And He is the reason what happened to my life. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Number 14. Okay, here is your escort. Let your escort be seen by everyone, including the judges. Escort, don't go. Please don't go, because the judges are
The escort of the night a little later. Now the next candidate, Raul, is
candidate number 5.
candidate number 5 is representing the Alona Beach Community Association Incorporated, or ABCAI, our fire dancer.
Yes, by the way, our candidates can speak in any language that they're very comfortable with. Okay, it can be English, Filipino, Bisaya, or maybe Chabacano.
Yeah.
Okay,
Raul.
masyong gabi kanimo.
Kayong gabi po ninyo tanan.
I'm raring to ask her what convinced her to do that fire dancing. Kinsa man gyud naka-convince ni mga fire dancing imong talent?
Ako ara. Ay kanang ganahan mo kung musayaw.
Okay, and what was the most difficult part in that dance?
Katong ang apoy kay doon sa
Oh really? Napasok ka? So, unsa may kuan effect sa pagkapasok nimo to this competition?
full ba pero kanang okay ra, at least okay ra to akong gibuhat.
Okay, and your final
Your
question.
please.
Okay, kulbaan mag-uol. Her question is, what is the role of the youth in the progress and development of Panglao? Your question, what is the role of the youth in the progress and development of Panglao?
The role of the youth in progress in Panglao is to
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not easy being on stage. Okay, thank you. Sa Sa imong tanaw, unsa may function or role sa atong mga batanon para mosamot ang paglambo sa atong munisipyo sa Panglao? Unsa may buhaton, unsa may abilidad sa atong mga kabatanunan?
Dagan mga activities.
Okay, there are so many activities. So, ang mga many activities mo ni magpagpalambo mo ni itabang sa mga batanon. Okay, thank you very much. Number 5.
Thank you very much, Miss Afgay.
Okay, so we have escort number 3. Escort number 3. Please don't go. You are being judged. Escort number 3.
Okay, who's next, Ulo?
Candidate number 12 from Poblacion.
Miss Kenshane Gimalan, Poblacion, right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, she looks very radiant in lavender or periwinkle.
Okay, so how do you feel being a finalist, Ken?
Very much lucky because I'm one of the top 7.
So, did you expect to win all those special awards?
I didn't expect to win all those special awards because out of 14 candidates, I don't know if I'm one of the best.
You just validated that you are one of the best, truly the best, because you won so many special awards. Now, can you pick your final question, please? Okay, can you open it for Fiel?
Okay, I'd like to read your question. If you were a judge for tonight's pageant, what would you give more importance in choosing the winner? Is it beauty or brains? Now, if you were a judge for tonight's pageant, what would you give more importance in choosing the winner? Is it beauty or brains?
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. If I were to judge in this pageant tonight, I would choose beauty because when you talk